Yes. It's called feeding. I'm allowing you. So you understand this. Okay. Did you see how many problems just because of the indicator? Steering wheel. Take the turn. Take a turn. Yeah. No crossing. Yes. Fix it. If I leave you alone, then you're gonna waste your more money.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Quick turn. Much better. Did you see?
Yeah.
This is the method should be.
I never noticed people doing that. I should have done it a bit later.
What I said earlier, remember?
I should have done
if the
it a
one
bit
or two
after.
car, then you don't. Yeah. Good. Turn left, please. Good. No, yes. It's called feeding. I'm allowing you. So you understand this. Okay. Stop. Yeah. When he was doing, can you go and hit him? No, very too slow. Yeah. Did you see how many problems just because of the indicator? Steering wheel. As you said, you are good, isn't it? So I'm sure if you use my video at home and take the dinner plate and you're gonna do this practice.
Okay.
By the time is everybody said it helps. I'm sure with you it will help as well.
Okay.
Sometimes people cried when they can't synchronize. Either they're doing steering wheel slow, faster speed because it is a synchronize.
Am I driving really slow?
It's fine at the moment. Okay.
Okay.
At the end of the road, turn left. Also, don't overthink. Okay. Good mirror check. Anytime you come to T junctions, car, let me show you. Okay. Here. Now look your right, left, right. Here is a bit block our vision,
so
isn't it?
Really see it?
Yeah, peep and creep. Go a little bit forward. Quick turn. Much better. Did you see?
Yeah.
This is the method should be.
I never noticed people doing that. I never, you don't really notice the road or driving or anything until I never even noticed the road signs till I did my theory.
So here we're gonna take the next road on the left. Where is the van? It's a bit far.
Okay.
Did you see the car came up? It's there.
Oh, it's there.
No, it's further. Look. Yeah.
Is that it?
No.
Yeah, because
That's why I said, it's the car. Car was coming up. Now, can you see the van with the hazard light on?
yes.
Just before the van.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, take the turn. Your priority. Take the turn. Take the turn. Take a turn. Yeah. No crossing. Yes. Fix it. If I leave you alone, then you're gonna waste your more money.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Now take the next road on the left, please. Still she's far. We can go. She didn't come to the center island. Yes. Feeding the steering. Bigger one. More feeding. Yes.
At least I had some sliding going on.
Exactly.
Freaking out.
That's why I said by next lesson it will be fixed.
Okay.
Once you do the nice steering wheel, your most of the issue is fixed already for the junction.
Yeah, because I always wondered what is it with me and the junction.
Now, can you see the blue or purple? What color is it?
It's a blue car.
Blue car. I'd like you to pull up in front of the blue car. After the blue car on the left, please.
After.
Yeah, after. So no signal yet. Otherwise, people will think you are turning
I'm
there.
turning to the junction.
After.
Oh.
You're doing before. Yeah. Okay. And where is your target?
Let's just go.
No, let me tell you another thing. So when you're pulling up, keep the signal down.
Yeah.
We need to think, am I narrowing down the road? For example, if I pull up there is a parked car on my right. So if I go a little bit forward, go forward with the signal. If I go there is no one on my right hand side. The road is open, spacious. Yeah, stop.
Can do it.
Okay. Now stop.
Yeah.
Do you understand? You need to think other thing. Okay, is there any park on my right hand side? If I park there, if the road get narrow, then if I go one car ahead, then there is nothing on my right. As soon as you secure, the next thing you need to do, cancel your indicator.